have a ranch snack wrap.
Oh, that's for lunch. That's at 11.
Oh. Yeah, exactly. So then we're gonna go to the kitchen and we're gonna be filming in there and all that stuff. So that's why.
Make a healthier version of McDonald's.
Healthier version. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. What's up, guys? What am I doing here at McDonald's? Well, I was trying to get my protein fix on and I opted for a ranch snack wrap, McDonald's ranch snack wrap. You'd think it wouldn't be so bad, but it actually is pretty bad. This chicken is fried with refined seed oils, which means we got oxidation, we got trans fats, we got aldehydes, unhealthy stuff going on there. The dressing itself is made with added sugars. The dressing is made with natural flavors and preservatives. The wrap itself is all refined carbohydrates. You get about 900 milligrams of salt in here. It's a big old sodium bomb. Because this thing is ultra processed, it's probably not gonna be too satiating either. And lastly, guys, the macros kind of suck. You got 17 grams of protein for 400 calories, 22 grams of fat, 6.5 which are saturated. That's not so good. We can do better. Let's make it better. All right, guys, welcome back to the kitchen. We know why this McDonald's snack wrap is really no good. We got refined oils, we're frying things, we got trans fats, oxidation, a lot of refined carbs, a lot of processing. I guarantee you the quality of that chicken is not so good. Frankly, even the dressing itself, I really wouldn't recommend you guys eat. So this thing, as far as I'm concerned, belongs in the garbage. Oh, this one's not on the floor. We're gonna make a much better version. We're gonna make a healthier version. The macros are gonna be a lot better too. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna tell you what you need. Come on over, guys. What do we need to make this thing? We're really not breaking the mold too much here. We got some free-range chicken, no antibiotics added, all that stuff. Our chicken mix, we're gonna be air frying. We got some egg whites. We got some gluten-free breadcrumbs there. We'll use this in our air fryer mix and all that. We're gonna use Siete wraps here. This is made with cassava flour. The serving size we're actually making is gonna be 2 of these. So rather than the 1 snack wrap, you're gonna get 2 cassava wraps. These are really cool. They're really delicious too. The cassava wraps are really, really good because it's using cassava flour versus other refined flours. There's no artificial stuff in it. You're looking at water, coconut flour, coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, xanthan gum, and of course, cassava flour. So I think this is a much better choice. Calorically, it's not so bad either. On to our dressing. You know, the dressing is where you'll find a lot of refined oils. You have added sodium, added sugar, artificial stuff, natural flavors, which is more artificial stuff. We're gonna make a way healthier version. We're gonna use Chobani non-fat Greek yogurt. I love this stuff. We use this in a lot of recipes. And I got some organic ranch dressing seasoning, guys. We're gonna make our own ranch, and then we're actually gonna put a really neat spin on it for those of you guys that are of the spicy variety. We're gonna make a buffalo version of this. We're gonna spice it up a little bit too. The Tabasco and the ranch dressing we're making is gonna go really nice. At the end of it, because we want some potassium, we want some micronutrients, want to add some satiety and fiber to this bad boy, we're gonna throw some organic baby arugula on. I like arugula a lot. If it's not your cup of tea, add, romaine, whatever you like. So one more thing before we begin, guys. Like all the recipes that we make, I recommend make this in advance for the week. Pick your day of the week. Let's say it's Sunday, where you make a whole bunch of this stuff and you package it and you are meal prepping for the week. You're not gonna put a tremendous amount of work into a recipe like this. If you're gonna do it once, you might as well make it count for the week. Do yourself a favor. You'll skip time going through the drive-thru, you'll be happy. All right, so what do we need? Let's get our egg whites ready. The reason I'm using egg whites is not because I'm trying to avoid an organic pasture-raised egg or something like that. I find sometimes with the air fryer, the breading sticks better with egg whites. I don't know why that is, but anecdotally, I like egg whites, so I'm doing that. I'm gonna cut this chicken into strips, and I am making more than, again, the serving. So I'll have it for the week. We'll bread it all together. We'll calculate all our macros together, and we'll be good to go. Lay out your breadcrumbs, and what I suggest you do, good way to get it ready, dip your strip in, get the excess off, give it a moment there. You don't want to, make it so it's crazy covered, but get it in there and throw it right into the air fryer. Go to the next one. This chicken's going to be done in about 15 minutes in the air fryer, and halfway through, we're going to flip it over. One of the things, kind of a little hack I like to do with the air fryer, is if you don't want to go crazy on breadcrumbs, what you can do is you take your air fryer, get it ready. Now, I didn't go crazy with the seasoning and the breadcrumbs there. What I'm gonna do is Gonna fill some of those gaps with a little garlic powder. You can use onion powder or oregano too. It makes it nice. This is going in. Turn it on, chicken setting, 20 minutes, and I'm going to hit the shake button too. It will probably go faster than that because I cut them into very thin strips. All right, guys, we're gonna start on our dressing here. We're gonna use the Chobani. You guys can make as much or as little of this as you want for the purposes of the recipe because we're making for meal prep type of deal. It's about 100 grams. Well, now it's more because I added the spoon, but 100 grams of Greek yogurt. And now I'm gonna start seasoning this with the organic ranch mixture. This is not crazy on sodium for what it is. We'll get some in there. Use about half of it, mix it around, see how it tastes, and add more taste. Finger. It tastes amazing already. Wow, okay, really good. Yeah, that's really good stuff. Holy cow.
Wow.
I'm gonna add some Tabasco to
So
this.
good.
It's really, really good. Gonna add some Tabasco to this. I want a buffalo version. If you don't like spicy stuff, don't do it.
Why would anyone actually use ranch dressing if that tastes so good?
Because people are not making it themselves. They're relying on the food manufacturer to give it to them, which means it needs to be preserved and it needs to be cheap. So when you preserve things and you make them cheap, you end up with high calorie, calorically dense, ultra palatable foods that end up killing us. Don't substitute convenience for your health. All right, let's see how it tastes buffalo style. It's really, really good. And you didn't do it for 500 million calories. That's fantastic. Wow, I'm impressed. All right, guys, air fried chicken is done. I just checked, it's cooked to 165 degrees. We're good to go. It looks crispy and delicious. So I'm gonna put this aside for a moment, and this only took 15 minutes in the air fryer, guys. Now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the air fryer again. I'm gonna take 2 of these cassava flour wraps. I'm gonna throw them in here. I'm gonna heat them up for just 30 seconds on each side. 30 seconds later, these are nice and crisp and just warm and delicious. Let's put it together. We're not breaking the mold. Taking about 1.5 ounces of chicken each. This is making 2 instead of the one with the McDonald's. You guys can use any lettuce you want. I love arugula, so that's the way I'm going. And then because you are using Greek yogurt, guys, low-fat Chobani Greek yogurt, you can be generous with this dollop, guys, and really enjoy it. This thing looks freaking incredible. There you have it. It's done. It took 20 minutes to make this thing. You made a good choice versus an artificial, processed, kind of crappy choice. You put the work in, it looks fantastic. I'm gonna try it in a second, but let's talk macros. Instead of 400 calories in the McDonald's one, you get 330 calories here. Instead of 17 grams of protein, you got 32 grams of protein. Your sodium content is almost half. This is way better for you, better ingredients. Let's give it a try. It's so good. Yeah, it's so good. This is amazing. It's really good. Wow, this is really good. This has such a crunch to it.
So comfy.
If you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, be a super, join the Caffeinated Iron Club, and until next time, I will see you next time.